Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Receiptify from Spotify. So what you need to do is just open your browser and then find Receiptify in Google. Okay, this one. And here you just need to go to the first web that show up, receiptify.herokuapp.com. Click on that, and then in here, because I want to get the Receiptify from Spotify, so I need to log in with my Spotify. Just click on that, and in here, because I've already logged in, you can just choose which of the tracks that you want to show in your Receiptify. Top tracks in the last 6 months, last month, or all time. You can also choose top artists and top genres. So for example, I want to use the top tracks for last month, and here is the result. And if you want to publish it in your social media, you can just download this feature. So just click on download image, and then your Receiptify will be downloaded, and you can just share it to your Instagram or other social media. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, please don't forget to click like, click on thanks, and also subscribe to our channels. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.